Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice rapid red metallic coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch. We do get a nice Pro-Access tailgate with a backup camera, of course, with a bed liner. You got hooks, doodads, and lights. And you got a 120-volt outlet right there. You can turn on your lights from there as well. Measurements on the tailgate as well, which is pretty handy. And a powered tailgate, which is pretty handy. And let's just say you're holding a lot of gear in your hand and you want to lift it up. All you have to do, knee it up, and it will come up automatically. We do have mud flaps on the rear, and a nice black platform gripped running board with mud flaps on the front. Side view camera, spotlight, and turn light indicated with blind spot detection. We do get a nice black hood deflector with front park sensing. We have license plate bracket, recovery hooks, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, B&O sound system, floor mats with a carpet interior. We have a flat fold storage system, cup holders with heated back seats, USB-Cs, rear vents, and 120 volt. You of course do get cup holders and arm space as well, and a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a powered driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Powered passenger seat as well, plenty of door space up front, powered door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers. We have our auto stop cert, lights, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 107 kilometers. We have a heated leather-up steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media. We have our volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do get My View, Trip and Feel, your heads-up display, which you can sort of kind of see it on the vehicles ahead of me. Just limit your distractions so you can keep your eyes on the road. We have gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select with your speed adjusters. It is collapsible, storage, cup holders, wireless charging pad with some outlets down there, and it does close. Got a leather-wrapped center console that does turn into an interior work surface where you can put your meal here or your laptop, totally up to you. You do get your regular storage underneath as well. Rear locking diff, 4-wheel drive, and drive modes. Trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist, heated and cooled front seats, dual climate, 12 volt, and 120. Clicking here, we do have a 360 view of the vehicle where you can go for different camera angles, hazards, and traction. Park Assist, which is just your park sensing, and you do get Ford's BLUECRUISE, which is Ford's highway self-driving. You got storage above as well, a nice powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And looking at our main screen here, we have audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, all that jazz, power tailgate, and any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA66139, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.